Hi, I'm Justin, and I will present what are the fates of pyruvate. There are four key to pyruvate. These are acetyl-CoA, oxaloacetate, lactate, and ethanol. Fates of pyruvate is the product of glycolysis and is formed in the first step of glucose metabolism. The pyruvate is based on if they are aerobic or anaerobic. In aerobic, it depends on the availability of oxygen, while in anaerobic yeast and other microorganisms convert to glucose. Gluconeogenesis occurs in fasting conditions when glucose is in demand. In cell respiration, the key of pyruvate is acetyl-CoA. In gluconeogenesis, the key of pyruvate is oxaloacetate. In lactate production, it occurs in exercising muscle and red blood cells, while in ethanol production, biomass undergoes enzymatic hydrolysis for conversion of polysaccharides into monomer sugars. Here is a example of a fate of pyruvate. I hope you've learned something today. Keep safe and God bless.